Bert and Kip, Episode 2, Bert's New Neighbor. Bert did not like having a neighbor. Kip was loud and he dropped acorns. "I need a break," said Bert. "I think I'd go to the beach." Bert walked in the sand. She dipped her toes in the water. She ate a snack. "I love the beach," she said. Just then, Bert saw something. There was a big hawk in the sky. "Oh no," said Bert. "That hawk will eat me." Bert found a good place to hide. At last, the hawk was gone. Bert flew back home. "I saw a big hawk," said Bert. "Oh no," said Kip. "I don't like hawks." "Where was it?" "It was at the beach," said Bert. "Will it come here?" asked Kip. "I don't think so. This tree is a very safe place."